welcome to a new week vlog. My name is Wissal and today I'm giving you an update of the house renovation. It's been a few weeks between the last time the status of the house and today. So the work I'm going to show is not done in a week, but I'm very excited to show you what we've done so far. Upstairs is around 60 to 70% finished, I think. And yeah, just come with me. The first thing what is changed is of course the floor. We choose laminate. We love this color so much. I love light oak, and this was the best choice. What was available in the shop. And yeah, I really love it. And credit to my husband, he installed this laminate. What you also see in this hall is two new lights. This one here, and it was as well his choice to have this light. I really love it. I really like that the light comes from the top and the bottom. It's very chic and elegant in my opinion. What I also changed is I colored the side of the mirror, so it's really it looks like a bit vintage. And the mirror, sorry, it's a bit dirty, but yeah. Then we going to the guest bedroom. There's as well a lot of change. Remember the wallpaper? It was really old and we painted over it because it was difficult to remove the wallpaper, so we painted over it. And I've chosen this olive green. I loved it. We also installed the light. So it's a bit the same style as the other, as the hall and the bedroom. And if you notice as well, the color of the wardrobe is as well changed. I've painted it matte white, so and I'm really proud of that. So I've been talking a few nights about it, how proud I've been about the wardrobe. As well the dressoir, I hope I announced that right, and the mirror. Yeah, so this is the guest bedroom, and it's kind of like nearly ready for guests. What we have end of the week guests for a few nights, but I'm sure they will be happy. At least they can sleep in a clean bed. And now we're going to the bedroom. We have a same style of the light. I really like it. The bed is new. It's from Ikea, and it have four drawers, so it's nice. What's a spare cushion or spare duvet in it. As well, there's a new wall color. We went for bluish because my husband did not like the beige color, and I thought, right, I don't want the whole wall white, otherwise it's so boring. So in the end, we ended up with this color. The ceiling, we done it in shabby white, because the other room was a bit like too bright white, and yeah, we choose this color. Shabby white is like white, but then you still kind of like see through, you see the old color through it. The view is not really changed, apart from that the trees have been growing, so you see a little bit less the lake view. What else did I not mention yet? Let me see what I did not mention yet. What else did I not mention? The kitchen.
Radiator.
Oh, right. What else has been done? Oh, very important. I painted the radiator. Look how shiny it is. We ordered a new kitchen, and that's coming next month. The woman said to us we had to prepare the kitchen because there was not enough sockets. We got an electrician, and he's gonna come next week to sort the socket out. So one socket's gonna come here, there. Well, that's gonna be the structure over there. The cooker and the oven is gonna be there. We chosen to use the oven below the cooker. So yeah, I'm very excited about that. We removed the tiles over there. That's gonna be plastering work because I don't want any more tiles over there. It doesn't look right. I'm thinking to have a bar over here with 4 seats, but that's like later to think about. First, get the kitchen in. And outside, we've been also busy with painted this black. It was dark brown. I don't know if I recorded that last week. This outside, this was the same color as upstairs. It was like dark brown reddish, and we sanded it to the original color and we done a varnish over it. Yeah, just keep it natural, and that's the best way, I think. So as well on this side as well. And of course there's a lot of work outside to do, but that's later because our priority is to do it finishing inside before we go outside. I want to end my vlog over here. This was the house update of the renovation. It's been really busy, but we're loving it and we just keep going. So I want to thank you for watching, and if you did like the video, don't forget the thumbs up. If you want to see my next video, don't forget to subscribe so you'll be the first one to be notified. Yeah, see you next time.